Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about letter Z, the last letter in the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's start. Letter Z. Zoo. Letter Z. Zoo. Zoo. Letter Z. Zookeeper. Letter Z. Zookeeper. Zookeeper. Zookeeper có nghĩa là người trông coi sở thú. Now let's review. Letter Z. Zoo. Letter Z. Zookeeper. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.